Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Kumar Saini and I am from Rajasthan. I am here posted in NHQ. I am presently working in Indian Navy as a sailor and there will be many branches in the Indian Navy. You can join as a officer, as a sailor or as a steward and a cook. So I am thankful to sir to give me an opportunity to speak about Indian Navy. Presently I posted in RK Puram in Sector 1 and there will be many branches in Indian Navy. I introduce some branches. It's like I'm a communicator. So basically, uh, my main is to communicate with the entire Indian Navy about signaling, about cryptography, about encryption, about decryption. This is all things. And another branch I will tell you just electrical branch. Electrical branch handle all the electrical equipment, lighting, fitting, diesel generators, extra in Indian ships and base also. And one branch also is mechanical engineering. Basically, they do the maintenance about engines and shafts, वगैरह. And one other branch is aviation. So basically, Navy is working in three dimensions: in air, in land, and in air also. So there will be aviation branches. There are two parts. One is for helicopter, one is for aircraft. So Indian Navy presently have a MiG-29 aircraft, and there are various helicopters, uh, just like a Seeking, ALH. Presently, we all listen or reputed CDS will be expired in helicopter crash. So this helicopter is also Seeking helicopters. And another branch is cooking branch. Cooks basically. They will cook for meal for our sailors and officers also, and for they will distribute it in entire navy. Basically, they serve in a ship as a cook. They prepare meal approximate 2,000 people at a one times. So another branch is the steward. They care officers and sailors about how to we can feed lunch, breakfast, dinner. They basically they show how to we react as a sailor, as a officers, as a defense force in discipline and in a manner. And there will be three branches in the three command in Indian Navy. First command is the Western Naval Command, second command is Eastern Naval Command, and third is Southern Naval Command. Western Naval Command and Eastern Naval Command basically deal with strategic forces and security all over the country in maritime security. And Southern Command is deal with training part. Just like I'm as a communicator, so he basically developed a school just like a signal school, their navigational school. Just say you know about ASW, anti-submarine warfare school also. Navy has also submarine branches also. Submarine is going in the depth of 50 meters in the water, and they keep continuous surveilling in the underwaters, and they will operate in many secret operation also. We don't know about this, but they enhance our security in maritime safety. And one school is also for engineering branches also. They recruit many artificer and artificer apprentice also. There is a technical branch just like in Air Force X branches. We call is a artificer apprentice. They basically deal with the technical parts of various branches just like electrical equipment. We don't know how to operate the diesel generators, how to operate transport transformer also. So they deal with technical issues also. They deal with aviation branch in technical, ki how to aircraft will land, how to aircraft will launch. They deal with all the technical parameters, technical issues, and technical various aspects. And there will be special force also in Indian Navy. We called as a Marine Commando. In short form is Marcos. Just like you listen about the NSG para commando, para Garud commando in Air Force. We have also a special branch of Marine Commando. They operate all in that all direction, just like air, sea, mud, which is definitely is a top 5 security commando in all over the world. They will be toughest in in the world, and they have also training school in various part of our country. They specially designed to provide security, enhance security, and protect over in harass situation, just like a terrorist attack, militant attack, and in any just you recently about listen about the cyclone of Taute. The Marine Commando force is the only force that uh, secure and survive so many sailors in a civil ships. So it's a good force, and thank you. Thank you.